Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm Scotty James, and this is the hellraisin.hellraiser channel. We are all about having fun and raising hell. Today we're just in my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody, and we are at the first unofficial Fort Wayne Cars and Coffee. So let's take a walk around and we'll see what's here, guys. Hey man, this is my buddy Tim, and we're gonna check out his Mercedes right now.
Sweetie.
Right.
Clean.
Is it all stock, or have you done anything to it?
No, I haven't done nothing to it, man.
It's all stock.
I'm gonna have it mapped here pretty soon.
It is clean, man. You could eat off that engine cover.
2014.
Right on. 2014 E350. All right, guys, this is my brother Jay. I just met here today. He's got a 2016 Scat Pack we're going to show you, but I want to let him give you a shout out for his YouTube channel first, brother.
Y'all can go follow me at SRT space THR333 SRT3, and it's your boy Jay with the 2016 Scat Pack. When y'all go to my channel, y'all gonna see some official funny content, donuts, everything. You gonna love it up.
Hell yeah, guys.
So I'm making some mods next week.
Okay.
Real
okay.
soon. I'm getting stripes done on it.
Right on, right on.
I'm gonna get some lights that ain't nobody got in Indiana.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I ain't
you ain't giving that away yet. We'll see that on your channel, right, bro?
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's gonna be official.
Okay.
I'm trying to have that Scat Pack out there. It's gonna be better than a while once I add all the modifications.
Have you done anything to it yet?
Not besides putting the taser in it, nothing else. Just been having fun with it right now. So come catch these tires. Y'all see how these tires looking? We having fun. Y'all gotta go watch those. We had the car for about since February, but 6 tires already.
Woo, 6 tires already. I like that RT on the seats. That's cool, man.
That's what I said. I said, you know, I kind of fell in love with the RT stitching.
That looks good, man. Yeah, that looks good.
Like I like it better than the basic color of the Jeep. I'm keeping this like red, black, and white right down. My first year. Then I'm getting a wrap like the second or third year. I'm gonna try to have all this painted because I'm even gonna get something up here. Yeah, about 2 weeks, man. It's gonna be different. This week I'm going to the decal shop. Then on the 8th, I'm going to get my lights done.
Okay.
Them lights gonna be official. Then on the 12th, I'm getting my speakers hooked up.
Okay.
Yep. Oh yeah, I did get the mid muffler delete though.
You want to start it up?
Yeah, I got it.
Cool, man.
I don't know what they all did to. I just took it in and said, hey, dude, I need a mid muffler delete.
It sounded good, dude. It sounded deep and throaty.
One of my friends got his Scat, and he got his like aggressive, like it's louder, but mine's more
Yours
deeper.
got the more deeper tone.
Yeah,
it's almost
like
like
mine's coming.
It's almost like still the factory, but it's deeper and louder, dude.
It's
That's
like
cool.
It's coming from the stomach. Theirs just coming out their mouth for real.
Yeah, that sounded good, man. This is my friend Will. We're gonna check out his Challenger. Let him tell you a little bit about it.
2016 Challenger Scat Pack has a 6-point cord, Plum Crazy Purple. No real modifications yet, just different size tire and some 275s on there. Other than that, speaks for itself.
Right on. Yeah, back in 2019, I was looking at Sublime Challengers, but this was my second choice. I was like on the fence between the 2 colors because I was like, man, I don't know which one I want. Now seeing this in person though, this is sweet looking, dude. I didn't realize it had so much metal flake in it and everything. It looks awesome. But then they discontinued the Sublime last year. I think they discontinued this one too, didn't they?
Yeah.
And so that was the next best thing to hellraising, so I got that. I'm pretty happy with it though. Yeah, that's sweet, dude. That's my first Mopar, dude. I've never had a Mopar before.
Dodge is doing it right.
Yeah, they are, dude. I think so, man. They got the look for sure. Hey guys, this is my friend Trey here at Fort Wayne Cars and Coffee.
Hey.
And we're going to check out his 5.0 GT Mustang, guys.
Absolutely.
Do you have a YouTube or anything, Instagram or anything?
Nah, just
Like that?
I'm on Facebook, but I DJ on the side. So
Oh, okay.
DJ on the side, so I don't really do anything with my car per se. But, on YouTube, I'm T-Rex GT or whatever.
T-Rex GT.
But I don't have a
You don't
YouTube
have
page.
no
That's
content.
just- yeah.
Okay. That's what you're, okay, right on. Yeah, I wish I would have started my channel a couple years ago. I got my Trans Am out of storage.
Oh, did you?
I did a bunch of stuff to that. I'm having a lot of fun with it so far. Plus, I'll have a record of my car now and everything I do with it, so that's kind of cool.
At what point were you like, you know what? I'm sure you probably teeter back and forth about whether to do it or not, right? Or were you just like, no, I'm gonna do that?
I was like, I'm gonna do it, man. Like back in 2008 when they started making the Challengers, I was like, I'm gonna have one of those. And finally, 12 years later, I got one. But I've been watching a lot of videos on them and YouTube and everything, and seeing the guys do their stuff with their cars. And I was like, you know, if I get mine, I'm gonna do that too. Dude, that's clean looking, man. This is my buddy's Jose's car. You can check him out on Instagram at theboosted335. Oh yeah, right on. Sick, dude.
Hey, how you doing, bud? My name's Rob. Rob.
Is this your car?
That's my car.
Go ahead, man. Let's give you a shout out, brother.
Hey, man, this is a 98 Buick Regal GS. His name is Posey. GT 3580 Turbo, 1.9 rocker car. Out here having fun trying to represent the Buick Club. Ain't no other Buicks out here, so somebody has to do it.
Somebody got to do it. Dude, that's awesome. You got
a lot of stuff done. We have a built tranny from Dane Van Middleton. Got a lot of decent parts in it. Fuel system is AM. It's going to E85 this year. It'll be on 20 pounds boost. Right now it's on 16, and it's just altogether a really cool car. I made the little Gray National hood for it. It's my version of what would be a Gray National if this car didn't have that option.
Okay.
Because Gray National is a Regal.
Right, yeah, absolutely.
It'll be all gloss black here in probably about a month or two.
Dude, I love the old Regals. My friend had a Grand National back in the day, dude, and he let me drive it one day, and man, once that turbo hit, dude, that was amazing, dude. The thing was,
this is that.
back in even today, it's still a pretty fast car, dude.
And the one cool thing about this is it's not that.
Oh, right on. Definitely, dude. Definitely. Most definitely. You get a walk around here. Give you a sec.
So I got the car from Posey's Automotive in Elkhart. Throw that little plug out.
Okay.
And that's where I got the name for the car.
Okay, Posey. Right on. There you go.
Going fast and class.
All right, guys. So this is Posey. It's my friend Rob, and it's a bad machine, guys. It's badass. How's it going, guys? Oh, that's tight. Is this yours?
No, but I
claim it. Get on in there, man. That is tight, man. Oh shit, that's awesome. You got a ride up here, man? You got a ride up here?
Yeah, I got a Volkswagen Jetta over there.
Oh, right on. We put that on the
I have my hand like this. Right there. The car.
That's bad as fuck. Holy fuck, that's badass.
Rather rich than lean, baby. Any day of the week.
That's awesome, dude. I love the rear valence on the back, dude. That looks killer. With the skulls on it? Yeah. Dude, that's killer.
I had somebody plastic the bed.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Or high jump, I'm sorry.
Okay, right on. That's awesome, dude. So this got the LS1, or what does the GTOs have?
They originally come with an LS2.
LS2, okay.
6.0.
Okay, 6.0.
Now this is about 7.0, 427.
Oh, okay.
Rob.
Nice to meet you, Rob. Yep, thank you. Dude, that's awesome. 7.0 liter.
Yeah.
That's back to like old days GTO size.
Yeah, like a
big block.
Yeah, big block 455 or something like that. Yeah. I like cubic inch. I like big naturally aspirated motor. So.
Right on.
All motor.
My first car was a 68 Le Mans.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It only had 350 in it though. That old 350 Pontiac. Then I had a couple old Trans Ams from the 70s. And I got a 94 Trans Am now, and then I got that Challenger. Yeah, I've always loved Pontiacs. They were always my favorite. This is my first Mopar. I've never had a Mopar.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a 392.
Yeah, it's 392. Yep. Yeah, just like that one.
What's the color called?
It's called hellraisin.
Oh really?
Yeah. So on YouTube, if you look up hellraisin.hellraiser, that's me.
Okay.
That's my channel. And your car will be on it. And there'll be a lot of stuff on the channel, so watch your headphones. Because you know your car's loud. So yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Joey.
Joey. I'm Scotty James.
Okay, yeah.
Nice to meet you, Joey.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clean, man.
The seats massage.
Those seats are awesome looking. They massage too?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I'm Scotty James.
I'm Shonda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Now, does that come from a factory, or do you have that installed for the massage seats?
The seats, everything is pretty much factory except for the speakers. The speakers was the only thing that I should have cleaned it before I brought it up here.
BMW does that from the get-go.
Well, and it's got the M Sport package, so if you notice, it's got the stitching in the seat, and
Right, I
then
saw that. That
even the
looks nice.
passenger seat massages.
Oh, really?
It's pretty fast.
What's that? What model is this? I didn't even
A
look at it.
750.
Oh, yeah.
But it's
Oh, sweet. Yeah, it's fast. And it probably handles really good. It's nice to meet you guys. I'll take my head out. Yep. Shonda, right? I'm Scotty James. Terry, nice to meet you. Lamar, nice to meet you. Super Sean, nice to meet you. Scotty James. And on YouTube, I'm the hellraisin.hellraiser. So if you guys want to see your cars on there, I'm gonna have it up in a couple weeks probably.
All right, every car mine.
Awesome, dude. That's the way to do it. All right, have a good one, guys. That's cool. Oh, that's awesome. Damn, 3 for 1. That's a nice Challenger, man. That's sweet. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys next time.